Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you word problems based on addition, and this is chapter number 3, addition, and video number 5. So students, start chapter number 3, addition, word problems based on addition. In our day-to-day lives, we come across various situations where we use the concept of addition. While solving number stories based on addition, remember the following words which indicate that addition needs to be done. See students, like total, together, in all together, sum of. So remember these words. Now start doing word problem number 1. So see students, 26 students from section A. How many students from section A? 26 students from section A. 22 students from section B. And 15 students from section C of grade 2 visited a botanical garden. Find the total number of students who visited the botanical garden. So first of all, student, write statement and workspace. See here, write statement. And here workspace. See, here it is written, find the total number. Total number means we have to add number of students who went botanical garden from section A is equals to see. How many students? Number of students who went botanical garden from section A is equals to 26. So write here 26. Students from section B. Again write students. Number of students who went section B is equals to, so how many students? 22 students from section B. So write here 22. Now next, and 15 students from section C. Again write number of students who went botanical garden from section C is equals to 15 students from section C. So here we will write 15. And what we have to do, students? Here plus, because see, total number, find the total number of students who visited the botanical garden. So for this what we have to do? We have to add these numbers. So start adding, students. So first now 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So here we will write 3, carry 1. See, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 and 1, 5. And 1 carry over, 6. So 63. So here we will write total number of students who visited the botanical garden. Start students, question number 2. A conference of rats was held in the meeting hall to decide who would tie a bell around the cat's neck. In the meeting, there were 256 brown rats, 165 white rats and 348 grey rats. How many rats were there at the conference in all? See, here it is in all. Again, what we have to do? We have to add. So, write here statement and here workspace. See, in the meeting there were 256 brown rats. So here we will write number of brown rats is equals to, see, number of brown rats 256, 165 white rats. So here we will write number of white rats is equals to 165 and 348 grey rat. So here we will write number of grey rats is equals to 348. So what we have to do? We have to add these numbers. See, 6 plus 5 students. Very good. 11. 11 plus 8. Yes, 19. So here under the ones place we will write 9 in ones column and carry 1 here at the tens column. This is carry over. Now 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 and 1, 16. So here under the tens column we will write 6 and again 1 carry over at the 100 column. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1 this carry over, yes, 7. So here we will write 7 under the 100 column. Now write total number of rats in the conference. Conference is equals to 256 plus 165 plus 348 is equals to 769. See students, once again, number of brown rats 256, number of white rats 165, number of grey rats 348. So total number of rats in the conference is equals to 256 plus 165 plus 348 is equals to 769. So students, one more example I am giving you to do. Start students, question number 3. A fruit seller sold 235 apples, 304 guavas and 186 oranges in a month. Find the total number of fruits sold by him. See, again here it is total number. Students, what you have to do? Again write here statement and here workspace. See, a fruit seller sold 235 apples. So, what we will write here? Number of apples a fruit seller sold is equals to 235. Again write number of guavas of fruit seller sold is equals to 304. So write here 304. Again write number of oranges of fruit seller sold is equals to, see, 186 oranges. So here write 186 oranges. Find the total number of fruits sold by him. So total number of fruits. For this we have to do the addition for these all fruits. See, 5 plus 4, very good. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, very good, 15. So here in the ones column, under the ones column we will write 5 and here 1. Carry over, we will write in the tens place. Now add these numbers. 3 plus 0 plus 8. So 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 8, 11 and 11 plus 1, very good, 12. So write 2 under tens column and here carry 1 at 100 column. So again add these numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 and 1, 7. So here we will write 7. So write students, total number of fruits sold by the fruit seller sailor is equals to 235 plus 304 plus 186 is equals to 725. So students, number of apples a fruit seller sold is equals to 235. Number of guavas a fruit seller sold is equals to 304. Number of oranges a fruit seller sold is equals to 186. See, so the total number of fruits sold by the fruit seller is equals to 235, 304 plus 186 is equals to 725. So students, any problem in word problems based on addition? No? So I am giving you two sums, two word problems from your application book. So start students. Worksheet 3.4, question number 1. Arvind has 25 stickers. Fatima has 13 stickers, while Tanvi has 38 stickers. How many stickers do they have all together? See, here it is written all together. So what we have to do? Yes, again we have to add. So start students. What you will write first? Yes, statement. Statement. Here, work space. See, Arvind has 25 stickers. So what we will write here, students? Number of stickers Arvind has is equals to number of stickers Arvind has. How many stickers? 25. So write here 25. Fatima has 13 stickers. So here we will write number of stickers Fatima has is equals to 13. So here we will write 13. While Tanvi has 38 stickers. So number of stickers Tanvi has is equals to 38. So how many stickers do they have all together? See, all together. What we will do? Here we will give addition sign and we will add. See, 5 plus 3. Very good. 8 and 8 plus 8. 16. So here we will write 6. Carry 1. Here we will write at the tens place. Now add these numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 3. So 2 plus 1. 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and carry over 1. This one we will add. So it will become 7. So here we will write number of stickers they have all together is equals to 25 plus 13 plus 38 is equals to 76. See students, number of stickers Arvind has 25, Number of stickers Fatima has 13. Number of stickers Tandeep has 38. So number of stickers they have all together 25 plus 13 plus 38 is equals to 76. Okay students, now one more word problem I am giving you. Start students. Lisa has 18 pictures of different types of plants. Her mother gave her 20 more. How many pictures does she have now? So see students, what you have to do? Yes, statement. So write here statement. And here work space. So see, Lisa has 18 pictures of different types of plants. Number of pictures of different types of plants Lisa has is equals to how many? 18. So here we write 18. Her mother gave her 20 more. See, number of pictures her mother is equals to her mother gave her 20 more. So here we will write 20. How many pictures does she have now? So what we will do here? We will add these numbers. See, 8 plus 0, very good, is equals to 8. And 1 plus 2, 3. So how many more pictures does she have now? So see, total number of pictures she have now is equals to 18 plus 20 is equals to 38. See students, number of pictures of different types of plants Lisa has 18. Number of pictures her mother gave is equals to 20. Total number of pictures she have now is equals to 18 plus 20 is equals to 38. So students, any problem in word problem based on addition? No? So students, today I have taught you word problems based on addition, and now I am giving you homework to do. 2 questions I have completed and 2 more questions are there. I am giving you to do homework. Okay students, so write down your homework. Worksheet 3.4, question number 3 and 4, page number
32 and 33. Students, you have to do classwork or homework of word problems in your maths copy.